darlings, wash day number 2, part 2. Today we're going to be washing pants, jeans and pants. Okay, basically with your jeans you want to be very careful. You don't want the blue to come out if you don't buy like $100 jeans, and you don't want, even if you do, and you don't want them to shrink if you buy them fitting perfectly. So I know a lot of you women, you buy your jeans to fit perfect and you don't want them to shrink. So the jeans we'll put in the wash. You can also put in the wash like pants, like regular pants material. And this is definitely going to be cold water wash. So first, just like we did before, we're going to use pods. Today I'm going to use a game pod. And the pod looks like this. You put it directly into the wash on top of the pants. And we're going to use Tide liquid detergent. And we're going to put it in and fill it halfway to wherever your washer states, because we put the pod in. So half liquid, 1 pod. And that's the way I do it. Okay. So at this point we're going to set the washer to, I'm going to do normal. Well, first of all, sorry, let's turn it on. Power on. And we're going to set the washer to normal load. Okay. And I would say I have medium loads. Okay, so we're going to put it on cold like I said. And then we're going to put it on medium load. I'm going to put it on, because they're jeans and been out in the streets, in these streets with this corona, I'm going to actually put it on a heavier soil. So you can decide to put that on whatever you prefer. Although, you know, I haven't really been anywhere much, but I'm going to do that anyway, just for safety precautions. So, like I said, you can do whatever load you wash. However, with jeans, you can put it on warm load if you feel that your pants are very dirty. That is also takes care of 2 things at one time. It will take care of not shrinking it so bad. When you put it on a higher level than that, it will probably definitely shrink. And it'll also take care of the dirtiness that you have it in. So say you still don't feel comfortable with just washing the jeans in cold water because you've been out in these streets. If your washer says Eco Warm, that would be perfect for you to use for your jeans and your pants. So everything's in the wash, pods in the wash, Tide detergents in here. I don't put fabric softener in my jeans because I don't want them soft. Okay, if you do, feel free to put some fabric softener in at this time. So everything's good, and voila, we're going to start the wash load. There we go. So at this point, while everything is washing, you can prepare your next load, and we will go over part 3 next time. So all my unique beauties, be safe, keep your clothes clean, just as clean as you keep your hands. You don't want to have any problems. I want all of you guys to stay safe out here in these streets. Please continue to wear your mask. If you need masks, you can get masks at your online store at www.uniqueroyalbeauty.com. It is your store. I gave you exclusive coupon for yourself. You can find that in the description box, or you can actually email me and let me know that you need the coupon if you can't find it, or leave it in a comment down below. So I want to hear from you guys. I would like to know how you like the washing videos or any other topics you want me to discuss. Please leave your comments down below. And if you like it, or any of you new unique beauties who just came along, welcome to the Unique Royal Beauty family. So you go ahead and leave your comments and everything down below, because I want to hear them. So if you would like to hear more content like this, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button down below of these videos. So if you have any more detailed questions about washing your clothes, please share that in the comments down below. And I will see you on deal day. Until then, see you later, darlings. Until then, see you later, darlings. If you would like to hear more content like this, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button down below so that you will not miss any of these videos. So if you have any more detailed questions about washing your clothes, please share that in the comments down below. And I will see you on deal day. Until then.